Hey everybody, it's Amanda from the Hides Do Disney. I am super excited. I got a package in the mail today and we're gonna open it up here on the channel, so let's just dive right in. So I was watching some YouTube videos probably like a week or so ago, and I came across this video by the creator Zach Does Things, and he had a Funko Pop box that he was opening, and I realized that it was a subscription, and I was like, ooh, this sounds interesting, let me look into it. So I looked it up and found the company Pop in a Box, and what they do is they have a monthly subscription that you can get. They have a whole bunch of different subscription like styles that you can get. You can get 1 Funko a month, 2, 3, 6, or 12. You could get Disney, Star Wars, Marvel, Harry Potter, sports. There's a whole bunch of different ones, and this caught my attention. I all of a sudden am very into Funko Pops, and I was looking at the price of it and I said, you know what, we're gonna do it. So I have subscribed to Pop in a Box. This is my first box and I'm just wicked excited. So before I open it, I just wanted to say the really cool thing about Pop in a Box is that you can go through every single Funko Pop that they have and you can give it a thumbs up if it's something that you really like that you would enjoy in a box. You can give it a thumbs down and they will not send you one of your thumbs down Funko Pops, which I really appreciate that. And then you can also put in what Funko Pops you already have. So you can go and look up the number on your box of your Funko to make sure it's the right one, because I know like there's a bunch of different Ariel versions and a bunch of different Olafs, and we have an Olaf and whatever. So they won't send you a repeat of a Funko that you already have. And I think that's amazing. I think it's really cool. So I'm excited for this box. I'm excited to get into it, and let's just go. Literally haven't even opened the box yet. I'm so pumped, I'm so pumped. Okay, I don't know, should I like close my eyes? I don't know. Oh, okay, so apparently I didn't thumbs down this one because I got it. Oh, but it's really cool. Okay, so we'll go with the one that I'm a little less excited about. It's actually a Pop in a Box exclusive Funko Pop, so that makes it really cool. It's Pinocchio, and I'm honestly not a huge Pinocchio fan, to be quite honest, but this is actually really cool because it's got Jiminy Cricket chilling on the end of his nose, so that's really cool. It's got some really neat design aspects to it, so I guess I do kind of like it. I don't know, like I didn't thumbs down this one, so I can't really be too mad about getting it, but it's okay. I'm more excited for the second one that came in the box. This is one that I did thumbs up. I know I did because I'm obsessed with this Funko. I have it in my cart on Hot Topic. I have it on my Amazon list, and so I'm really excited that I got this one. It's my boy Quasimodo, and oh my goodness, I love him so much. You can kind of see in his hand there, he's got his little wooden doll Quasimodo, and oh my gosh, he's just so cool. I love Quasi so much. So yeah, he's definitely going up on the wall immediately. I might actually hold on to the Pinocchio one, and maybe this will be part of the giveaway once we hit 200 subscribers. So if you would like this Funko Pop, leave a comment down below and let me know if you would like this as part of the giveaway that we will do once we hit 200 subscribers. So the other thing I'll be really interested to see is I'm gonna go back into my list now and see if they've automatically put these 2 Funkos on my I already have it list, or if they will make me manually do it. I don't know, so I'm really excited to see how that works. One of the other awesome things about Pop in a Box is that I actually get 10% off now because I'm subscribed. So if I see a Funko that I really want and I don't want to wait for it to be maybe a mystery in a box to come next month, or you know, I really want to get the other Quasimodo to match this one, or the Esmeralda, or you know, whatever, I want to buy a birthday gift, I get 10% off, and I'm really pumped about that because they also have some that are on sale. And yeah, I'm all of a sudden now just knee deep in Funko Pop collecting because now it's become a thing. There's some on the shelf there, but we are actually going to be taking down the pins that are here and here and putting up shelves specifically for the Funko Pops. It's now become an obsession, and it's a good thing that our mall isn't open, because I would be in Newbury Comic or GameStop buying Funkos all the time. Before we go, I just want to show off really quick my new shirt from Brand by You that came in the mail this week. It is the Street Rat design based off of Mouse Rat from Parks and Rec. I am obsessed with this shirt. It is super comfortable and the design is just amazing. I love the details of it and how Donna took a piece of pop culture and turned it into Disney culture, so I just love it. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. I'm hoping to make this one of my monthly videos, because obviously I'll be getting a box once a month. So if you enjoyed it, I would definitely appreciate you sending some love into the comments section on which of those Funko Pops you liked more. Again, if you want to possibly win that Pinocchio one, let me know and say, yeah, that Pinocchio would be a great giveaway for the 200 subscriber giveaway, which we are so close to hitting. So thank you guys so much for subscribing, and I guess we will just see you guys in the next video. Bye!